We're in the heart of Echternach, a charming little town in eastern Luxembourg that feels like it's been pulled straight from a storybook. Just a few steps away from the famous basilica, hidden between quiet houses and cobbled streets, stands a smaller, quieter place, the Church of Saints Peter and Paul. At first glance, it might not catch your eye. No grand towers, no long lines of tourists. But that's exactly what makes it special. This church isn't just old. It's ancient. It was originally built in the 5th century, making it one of the oldest places of Christian worship in Luxembourg. Of course, it's been rebuilt several times, in the 11th century, then again in the 18th. But the spirit of the place? That's still very much alive. This is where the local people used to gather. While the monks of Echternach prayed at the abbey, the townspeople came here, to a more humble, personal space. As soon as you step inside, you feel the difference. There's no gold, no extravagance. Just silence. Stone walls. A few beams of light filtering through simple windows. You sit on one of the old wooden benches, and you breathe. Maybe you've been rushing from side to side, taking photos, ticking boxes. But here, time slows down. Your eyes adjust to the dim light. You start noticing details, the ancient stone, the smell of old wood, the quiet echo of footsteps. It's not about religion. It's about presence. About finding places that still feel real. I came here with my son, just the two of us. And for a few minutes, we just sat. No talking. Just listening to the silence. It was one of those small, unexpected moments that somehow stays with you longer than all the big ones. So next time you're in Echternach, don't miss the basilica, but don't skip this little church either. Because sometimes, it's in the quietest places that you hear the most.